Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SW Metro official channel. Kody Brown is asked to make a decision by Gabe Brown. Gabe Brown, the son of sister wives, gave his father, Kody Brown, an ultimatum. In season 19, we have seen the family's division widen. Kody is no longer in contact with any of his grown children. They've moved away, one by one. Gabe is the most recent to declare that he is prepared to permanently distance himself from his father. In episodes of Sister Wives on TLC, Kody Brown's elder children become tired of his disregard. The most recent to lose patience is one of Janelle Brown's boys, Gabriel Brown. The pandemic was a deal-breaker for the whole Brown family, as you may have seen if you've seen the most recent seasons. The majority of the family, particularly Janelle and Christine Brown, considered Kody's stringent standards intolerable, as well as the majority of their kids. During the COVID situation, Kody even accused two of his elder sons of getting their pencils wet, ahead of staying safe. Janelle was recently informed by Gabe Brown about a discussion he had with Kody. He claimed that Kody called him to talk. However, Gabe informed Janelle that his father was behaving as though he had to apologize to Kody. However, he feels no need to apologize to his father for anything. Gabe informed Janelle during the Sister Wives episode that he had told Kody that he would no longer communicate with him unless he was prepared to put in the necessary effort to make things right. Gabe then informed Janelle that a few days later, Kody texted her, asking if she would forgive him. And Gabe was genuinely offended by it. He failed to see what he had done that Kody should pardon him for. On the other hand, Gabe firmly believed that his father should beg for forgiveness for his actions. Gabe informed his mother that he was prepared to cut him out of his life entirely at this moment. Furthermore, he wouldn't be the first child to act in this way. For the Brown children, the absence of accountability is a persistent problem. Are the ex-wives of Kody Brown. Mykelti Brown Padron, for example, recently snapped after watching a recent Sister Wives episode. She claimed that her father never accepts responsibility. Even when he does, he continues to place the responsibility elsewhere. We've heard Kody express regret that he never married Mary Brown in his talk and confessionals on the TLC show. And that he never had feelings for Christine Brown, Janelle, or Mary Brown. Hearing that is awful for his kids with his 3 ex-wives, isn't it? When he tells his kids that he never should have married their mothers, it's as if he regrets the incident that brought them into the world. You won't get a Dad of the Year mug for that kind of thing. Kody also blamed Janelle and Christine for the gap between him and his grown children. He said they were disparaging him. Janelle Brown claimed that the main reason she ultimately left Kody was because of the way he treated their kids. She added that she believes Kody distanced himself from the family by using the pandemic as an excuse. He could then hide out with his favorite wife, Robyn Brown, and their children, she claimed. At this point, Janelle doubts that Kody will ever be able to mend the strained bonds with his children. It would require divine intervention, Gabe replied. Gabe Brown added that he misses seeing the children of Robyn and Kody. He doesn't have much hope for a relationship with Robyn, though. Robyn plays the victim, according to Gabe. He adds that she says she and her children have always been despised by everyone. You would assume that Kody would try his hardest to patch things up with his surviving children after the loss of Garrison Brown. However, there is no proof that it is occurring in real time. Robyn even begged Kody to put his kids before his own feelings. Kody is sued by Christine Brown for child support. Sister Wives, like many reality TV programs, has confessional parts in which each cast member speaks to viewers one-on-one. Christine spoke about her life after Kody in nearly all of her confessionals during the premiere. However, in one of his confessionals, Kody brought up Christine and acknowledged that her joy just emphasized Robyn's and his own lack of it. Since Christine has moved out and moved on, I believe she is doing well. Robyn and I are really kind of in a struggling place. You don't even need to watch Sister Wives to see that Kody is struggling to deal with the fact that 3 of his 4 wives have left him. Due to a relatively recent change in Utah law, a Reddit member on r/TL Sisterwives conjectured 3 days before to the premiere of Sister Wives Season 19 that Kody's ex-partners would be eligible for alimony and/or child support. Polygamy was decriminalized in Utah. According to Kody and Robyn's explanation, Mary, Janelle, and Christine could sue him for alimony, backed child support, and an equitable division of assets under the legal change they lobbied for. The idea that these women would sue him in Utah makes me laugh out loud. Would this be accurate? It seemed as though the actors kept up with social gossip when, approximately a week later, it was revealed that Christine had filed for child support and other parenting-related matters. Since Kody is the children's biological father, it should be noted that Utah's policy regarding polygamy probably has little bearing on Christine's alleged support request. A non-custodial parent's support obligations are not absolved just because their relationship took place within a plural marriage. In order to obtain child custody and child support, Christine Woolley has sued Kody Brown. In addition, she requested a domestic injunction to protect her from domestic violence, harassment, and intimidation, as well as to set guidelines for not making fun of the other parent in front of the child. Christine is also requesting that the court prove Truly Brown's paternity. Kody has not provided any assistance for Truly and is not listed on Truly's birth certificate at this time. It's worth noting, even without direct access to the file, that some of Christine's non-monetary claims about Kody might be typical in child support disputes. Without a crystal ball expressed the following opinion at the end of the caption. Kody Brown will at last face consequences and be compelled to provide for his children. Under Utah law, Christine will be able to get retroactive child support for 4 years from the date of the established paternity. Using that post as a reference, InTouch acquired the relevant documents and reported. In accordance with court documents that InTouch was able to get, Christine, 52, filed the complaint on Monday, September 16, requesting that the court establish the teen's paternity because Kody, 55, is not included on her birth certificate at this time. The mother of 6 also asked for a domestic relations injunction, which prohibits both parties from engaging in harassment, domestic violence, service cancellation or modification, taking the kids on unscheduled trips without permission or court orders, and denigrating or humiliating the other party. The news was first reported by blogger Without a Crystal Ball. Kody of Sister Wives sues Christine in retaliation for child support and custody. TLC doesn't have the easiest time attempting to keep storylines secret since, as we've said time and time again, the Sister Wives ensemble is fairly well known outside of reality TV. A recent example of this was when Christine filed a lawsuit against Kody in Utah on September 16 in an attempt to establish paternity for her 14-year-old daughter Truly, collect child support, and formalize a custody agreement. To date, TLC has been showing scenes shot in December and January 2022, when Christine started dating David Woolley, who she later married. It would be hard to overlook the fact that this legal issue coincides with a series of episodes that highlight Christine's unbridled joy at being free of Kody, her eagerness to date, and, finally, her incessant gushing over David. We recapped all 6 episodes of this season of Sister Wives in frank and agonizing detail for those who missed any of them. Episodes 5 and 6 in particular concentrated on Christine's then-new relationship with David and the fact that they exchanged "I love yous" right away. According to a recent piece about Teen Mom star Janelle Evans, family court custody and support cases are usually sealed because they are delicate and to protect the children who are frequently involved, like Truly. As a result, information presented by the parties involved cannot be independently verified, and very little can be inferred from court records. InTouch reported on Kody's lawsuit on Friday, stating that the pertinent documents are, in fact, sealed. Online court documents that InTouch was able to examine show that on October 13, Kody's recently hired Utah-based attorney appeared in court on his behalf. On Wednesday, October 23, the lawyer submitted a counterclaim in response to Christine's lawsuit. However, because the records have been sealed, it is